Come back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. The cooking show, guys, amazing. Anyway, a healthy, 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 healthy green salad is good for you. Even during your diet, it is very good for you to eat a healthy green salad because the salad is very good for you. All right. Basically, you got like some spinach and rocket. You know, spinach have a lot of iron, and also I have some cucumber and tomato also inside of it, and a lot more celery. We got radish, which is, you know, I know that radish is very good for us. You know, radish speed up your blood and all these things. So it's a very healthy salad. We have half of an apple inside of it, but you know, not much apple, you know, because apple have a little bit of sweetness, so you still have to watch that. But anyway, a healthy green salad is always good for you in your diet and in your detoxing. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe. Leave your comments in the description box. My name is Chef Ricardo. I'm always giving the best recipe, and stay tuned. We have a lot more coming for you guys, and this one is the top of the top recipe. Please enjoy it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. See you next time in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Nice and beautiful, guys. So basically today I want to make you guys a healthy green salad. Healthy green salad. All right. So the first thing what we're going to do is get some celery. Straight inside of a bowl like this. And next, we're gonna get some cucumber. Lovely. Then next we're gonna get some apple. That's the apple. Honestly, it's gonna be amazing, and I know you guys definitely will love this one. So we got the apple and also cucumber, and we have some radish, and radish is good for you. Radish helps to speed up your blood. Now we're going to get a medium-sized tomato, which is good for you. Give it a lovely mix. Then put a little bit of pepper. Little bit of chili. And that is really fantastic and amazing. Now, what we're going to do is this. Just a little bowl like this. It's a green salad. And I'm gonna put this tray inside of it. And then put this on top of it. This is some rocket and spinach, which is really good for you. And that is so amazing. See that? That is fantastic and lovely. Alright guys, so please enjoy it, subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Amazing salad, and that is so beautiful, guys. Look at that. Really lovely and simple homemade fresh green salad recipe from Chef Ricardo today. I must say to you that we have a lot more recipe will be coming like this, but as you can see, this is just fabulous and amazing. Take the time out to say thank every one of you who subscribe to the channel and watching the video. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas like this will be coming. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere and watch more video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Not only that, you can put a dressing on it. You can put lemon juice with olive oil and garlic mixed together. You can make a mustard dressing, but you eat it plain like this, it's much better for you. So, green salad, healthy green salad recipe. Stay tuned.